East Africans in Minnesota, the untold story of Little Africa. Minnesota is known for cold winters and quiet streets, yet it has become home to one of the most inspiring immigrant stories in America. Thousands of Somali, Oromo, and other Ethiopian and Eritrean families fled war, conflict, and hardship in the Horn of Africa, searching for safety, stability, and a future for their children. Many arrived after surviving civil war in Somalia, political change in Ethiopia, and the long struggle for Eritrean independence. Refugee camps were crowded and uncertain, but hope remained. That hope eventually led families to Minnesota, a state they had never heard of, but one that welcomed them with strong resettlement programs, affordable housing, jobs, and community support. Somalis became the largest East African group, opening businesses, mosques, and cultural centers. Areas like Cedar-Riverside transformed into vibrant hubs known as Little Mogadishu. Somali-Americans soon became political leaders, serving on city councils, school boards, and even in the U.S. Congress. Alongside them, large Oromo, Ethiopian, and Eritrean communities grew. They brought strong traditions, cultural events, restaurants, churches, and community organizations. Together, they created one of the most diverse and culturally rich regions in the United States. Cedar-Riverside became the heart of Little Africa, filled with languages, food, businesses, and cultural pride. East Africans now work across Minnesota in hospitals, transportation, education, factories, small businesses, and government. Their economic impact is enormous, supporting both Minnesota and families back home through remittances. But challenges remain: housing shortages, youth issues, discrimination, and cultural gaps between parents and children. Even so, the community stays resilient, supported by leaders, elders, teachers, and organizations working for progress. A new generation is rising, bilingual, educated, and confident. They are becoming nurses, engineers, lawyers, entrepreneurs, artists, and public officials. They balance American life with East African identity, proving that immigrant communities can rise to remarkable heights. Today, Minnesota's East African communities represent hope, unity, and strength. Little Africa has become a global symbol of resilience, culture, and new beginnings. Thank you for watching East African Mindset. Remember to like, share, comment,